I know I don't know, I was going through a bad stage in life.
Yep.
I was starting to, I had a lot of family problems, family issues, and I chose to take drugs. And before I knew it, I was out on the street, stealing cars, breaking into houses, doing what I had to do. And I don't know, I had no one. And then, I don't know, just one day I found Max Employment in White Lion, and that's right back then I just didn't want to do nothing, just wanted to have money in my pocket. Now I realise that you got to do the right thing to get there, and I'm happy doing it every day, to be honest. Coming to work, doing what I got to do. It was, at the time, it was my drug abuse, and she convinced me to go to rehab, and I went and started from there. Like, I'm grateful for White Lion for that. They helped me a lot with that. I got in contact with them again, and then I got in contact with Max, and yeah, both done. Youth helped me get a job, which was good. Felt just good. It's a journey that's not going to end. I know that. It's still every day. I could quite easily go back out there, but you got to do what you got to do, And I'm going to stick to doing that.